This is. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a white eraser. This is a white eraser. This is a green color pencil. This is a green color pencil. This is a yellow ruler. This is a yellow ruler. This is a blue notebook. This is a blue notebook. This is a black book. This is a black book. Now let's practice. This is a yellow ruler. What about this? This is a blue notebook. What is this? This is a green color pencil. What about this? This is a white eraser. Very good. And this? This is a black book. Great. What about this one? This is a pencil. Very good.